Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to add pictures to your text messages in your iPhone 17 Pro Max. It doesn't really matter if it's iMessage or if it's just SMS, the process is actually the same. And first open your Messages app and now go to your contact that you want to share your images to. Write something, for example, I love hard reset, and here tap this plus button. Here tap photos, and now you will be asked for the permission to your photos. Allow, and here you'll be able to see your library. Now actually you can share only these pictures that you store on your iPhone here. If you have them on your iCloud, you'll have to download them by tapping on the image and wait until you see this circle being full. But if you have, for example, this, as you can see, screenshot or something like that that is stored directly on your iPhone, you can tap this image or multiple images actually and tap this button to send your message. As you can see, now here they have 1, 2, and 3 images here. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leave a like on this video. It's very important to us. Goodbye!